Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to activate your new CommBank card. Activating your new CommBank card is a simple process, and you have a couple of easy options to choose from. The quickest and most common way is through the CommBank app or NetBank. To activate your card using the CommBank app, first log in. Then, tap on Cards, swipe to find your new card, and tap Activate Card. You'll be asked to confirm your identity and set a new PIN. If you prefer to use NetBank, log in and go to Settings. Under the Security section, select Card Activation. Enter the last 4 digits of your new card, then create and confirm your new PIN. You will receive a netcode to finalize the activation. If you are not registered for the app or NetBank, or if you encounter any issues, you can also visit a CommBank branch or contact them for assistance. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.